Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English coach and friend.
And I'm Zoe. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to be here again.
Today, we have a super exciting topic. We're going to talk about something that can really make your English sound strong, natural, and fluent.
Ooh, sounds interesting. What is it?
Powerful English adjectives.
Ah, adjectives. The words we use to describe things, right?
Exactly. Adjectives make your sentences more colorful, more emotional, and more powerful.
I love that. Because sometimes I just say good or nice, and I feel like my English sounds boring.
You're not alone. Many learners say good, nice, or very good all the time. But today, we'll fix that.
So today we'll learn better words to use instead of good?
Yes, we'll learn 10 powerful adjectives that will make your English sound amazing, and we'll practice them together, step by step.
Yay, I'm ready.
Great. And if you're listening right now, don't just listen. Speak with us, repeat after us, and practice. That's how you really learn.
Yes, speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Exactly. Okay, let's begin with our first adjective. Instead of saying very good, try saying excellent.
Excellent. I like that word.
It sounded professional, right?
Yes, like something a teacher would say. Excellent work.
Exactly. It means something is really, really good. For example, you did an excellent job.
Your English is excellent.
Perfect, Zoe. Everyone, repeat after us. Excellent.
Excellent.
Nice. You sound excellent already.
Thank you.
Okay, now imagine you eat something very tasty. Instead of good, say delicious.
Ah, yes. Delicious. I love that word.
Exactly. Say, this food is delicious.
This food is delicious.
Perfect. It sounds more natural than just, this food is good.
True. And it makes people feel happy when you say it.
Yes, it's like giving a compliment. You can also say, that cake looks delicious.
Or the smell is delicious.
Nice one, Zoe. You're doing excellent.
Thank you, teacher.
Now, here's a powerful one. Amazing.
Ah, I hear that all the time on social media.
Yes, it means something is really impressive or surprising.
So instead of very good, I can say, that movie was amazing.
Exactly. Or, you have an amazing voice.
Aw, thank you.
Ha, you're welcome. Repeat after us. Amazing.
Amazing.
Nice. And here's a mini tip. Try saying it with energy. Amazing.
That's fun. Amazing.
Perfect. Energy makes your English sound alive.
Okay, what's next?
Next is fantastic.
Ooh, that's another fun one.
Yes, fantastic means really great, full of excitement and positivity.
So I can say, I had a fantastic weekend.
Exactly. Or, you're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you, Riz. You're a fantastic teacher.
Thank you, Zoe. Everyone, repeat after us. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Good. Say it again. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Perfect energy. Now, sometimes something is not just good, but it makes you go, wow, that's incredible.
Incredible. It sounds so strong.
Yes, it means hard to believe because it's so great.
So I can say, the view was incredible.
Perfect. Or, you're an incredible friend.
Aw, thank you, Riz. You too.
Thank you. Everyone, repeat after us. Incredible.
Incredible.
Nice. Say it again with feeling. Incredible.
Incredible.
You're doing an incredible job.
Thank you.
Now, let's learn something new. Brilliant.
Oh, that's a British one, right?
Yes, in British English, brilliant means excellent, smart, or great.
So if I say, that's brilliant, it means that's great?
Exactly. Or, he's a brilliant student.
So it can mean smart too?
Yes, brilliant can describe intelligence and quality.
That's brilliant.
Ha, nice example. Everyone, repeat after us. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Perfect.
Okay, what about when someone looks really beautiful or handsome?
Good question. You can use gorgeous.
Ah, gorgeous. I like that one.
It means extremely beautiful. For example, you look gorgeous today.
Aw, thank you, Riz.
You're welcome. Or you can say, the sunset is gorgeous.
Or that dress is gorgeous.
Exactly. Everyone, repeat after us. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Good. Say it again. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Nice. You sound gorgeous when you speak confidently.
That's sweet.
Next, let's learn awesome.
Ah, yes. People in the US say that a lot.
Exactly. Awesome means really cool, impressive, or exciting.
So I can say, that concert was awesome.
Perfect. Or you're awesome.
Aw, thanks, Riz. You're awesome too.
Thank you. Everyone, repeat after us. Awesome.
Awesome.
Nice and simple. Use it anytime you want to sound friendly and positive.
Okay, what if I feel really happy about something?
Ah, then you can use thrilled.
Thrilled? That sounds exciting.
Yes, it means very, very happy or excited.
So I can say, I'm thrilled to be here.
Perfect. Or, I was thrilled to meet my favorite actor.
Oh, that's nice. Everyone, repeat after us. Thrilled.
Thrilled.
I'm thrilled to learn new adjectives today.
Me too. All right, our last powerful adjective today is wonderful.
Oh, I love that word. It feels warm and positive.
Yes. Wonderful means full of wonder, beautiful, or great.
So I can say, you have a wonderful smile.
Exactly. Or, it was a wonderful day.
Or, I had a wonderful time learning English.
Perfect example, Zoe. Everyone, repeat after us. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Nice.
Wow, Riz, these adjectives are so useful.
Right? You can use them in so many situations. Talking about food, people, movies, experiences, or even feelings.
Yeah, and they make English sound more natural and interesting.
Exactly. Let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Yes, let's review together.
Repeat with us, everyone.
Excellent.
Delicious.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Incredible.
Brilliant.
Gorgeous.
Awesome.
Thrilled.
Wonderful.
Wow, Riz, 10 powerful adjectives.
Yes. And if you use these instead of good or nice, your English will sound much more fluent and expressive.
That's true. Like, instead of saying, the movie was good, I can say, the movie was amazing.
Exactly. Or instead of the food was good, say the food was delicious.
Or, the view was incredible.
Yes, you're getting it.
You know, Riz, I think learning adjectives helps me express my feelings better.
That's so true. Adjectives are emotional words. They help you share how you feel.
Exactly. Like, I'm thrilled sounds so much more real than I'm happy.
Yes, It shows energy and personality.
And it's fun to say, too.
Yes, language should be fun.
I agree.
So, friends, let's do one last practice together. I'll say a sentence, and Zoe will choose the best adjective.
Okay, I'm ready.
The food was...
Delicious.
Nice. The weather was...
Wonderful.
Perfect. The movie was...
Amazing.
Good. The singer's voice was...
Incredible.
Great job. The teacher is...
Brilliant.
I'll take that. And you are...
Thrilled.
Ha! Excellent. You see, listeners, practice makes perfect.
Yes. Repeat these words every day. Say them in your daily life. That's how you become fluent.
Exactly. And remember, when you learn one new word, try to use it 3 times that day. It helps you remember faster.
That's a great tip, Riz.
Thank you, Zoe.
So, before we finish, can I ask you one question?
Sure.
What's one adjective you'd use to describe our listeners?
I'd say amazing, because they're learning, improving, and growing every day.
Oh, that's so sweet. I agree. You all are amazing and hardworking.
Yes, and we're so proud of you.
Keep going, everyone. Don't stop learning.
Exactly. English learning is like a journey. Every small step counts.
And we're happy to be part of your journey.
So, if you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, which adjective was your favorite today?
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to practice these words this week. Try to use at least 3 of them in your conversations.
Yes, the more you use them, the more natural they'll sound.
You can do it, everyone.
We believe in you. Keep shining, keep smiling, and keep learning English with us.
Have a wonderful day.
And remember, your English is already amazing.
No cap.
Good one. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you in the next episode.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.